guys! You're just in time to travel with me, Justine C. And for today's video, pupunta naman tayo sa Singapore! November 3 to 9 ako dito, pero actually dapat November 3 to 6 lang. So this is supposed to be a work trip with Subaru. And officially day 2 na talaga ngayon. Kasi kahapon medyo chill lang naman yung araw namin except yung dinner kasi parang 2 hours yung waiting time namin dun sa pinuntahan naming restaurant na sabi nila sobrang sarap. But today, ang gagawin namin is we are gonna go to the official launch of the TCCC or the Tan Chong Car Challenge by Subaru. Yun talaga kasi yung pakay namin dito. So remember, a few days ago, pumunta kami sa Festival Mall kasi ito yung nangyari, may event doon. And these are the 5 winners na kasama namin dito sa Singapore. So makikita namin sila mamaya and tingnan natin kung sino yung magiging matibay and mananalo. Actually, hanggang bukas pa to and today daw, kung makafilm na kami, by 2 PM, we can do whatever we want na. Pero tomorrow talaga is the super like main event of Subaru. So nagsistay kami dito sa M Hotel and it's actually a really nice 4-star hotel. May pool, may gym, you have a robot butler. Ang galing. Tingnan na lang natin kung ano mangyayari today, guys. So, let's go! Guys, dapat magte-train ako going back to M Social kasi nag-decide ako na mag-meet na lang kami ng friend ko. And medyo malayo daw pala sa mga train station yon, so I'm just gonna take a taxi going there. So right now, naglalakad ako dito along Robertson Quay or the Quayside. Nakalagay doon sa wall na yan. And ang ganda lang talaga ng view dito. Katabi ko ngayon is yung river and sobrang daming mga restaurants na pwede mong kainan. Ang dami ditong actually nagjo-jogging, nagbabike, or nilalakad yung dogs nila. And it's just a really nice environment dito. So I suggest you to visit this place kung magsistay ka around like the area. Ngayon kasi nagsistay kami sa M Social. Sobrang ganda lang talaga ng vibe dito. So kung gusto mo lang ng chill trip dito sa Singapore, I suggest you guys to go here. Tipid hits, time for lunch! Hi guys! So, it's officially day 3 and also officially day 1 ng aking solo travel here in Singapore. So, ang itinerary ko lang naman talaga today is to go to the Galaxy Pods tapos diretso na ako sa Museum of Ice Cream. Pero mukhang madami pa akong free time and then walking distance naman yung Singapore Flyer. So, I'm gonna go there now. Super helpful tong payong kasi medyo mainit. Buti nga ngayon medyo may wind. Pero, ang init dito sa Singapore, guys! And ayan na. Ayun na yung Singapore Flyer. I'm gonna go there. And let's see kung may tickets pa dito. But I don't know saan ba ako dadaan. Okay, i-figure out ko muna to. So nakikita nyo yan guys. Behind me, andun pa siya. I think na-underestimate ko kung gaano kalayo to. Sabi sa Google Maps, mga like 18 minutes away pa siya kapag maglalakad ako. And I think madami pa naman akong time. So, pupush ko yan. Ayan. Ang layo pa. Okay, go! malapit na. Kung gusto niyo mag-bus, ito naman yung mga pwede niyong sakyan. Kasi sobrang lapit lang, nandun na yung Singapore Flyer. Or take an MRT. Ito yung station na pinakamalapit dito. So meron pang ganitong bus stop. Na ako making memories here in Singapore. Okay, we are here, guys. Hi, just one.
Are you okay to go, no?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, hinihintay ko na lang. Parang mapupunta ata sa akin ng isang capsule. Okay. Last time pumunta ako dito like 2015 ata. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. Ooh. It's all mine. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung gaano katagal to. Sabi 1 hour, but I doubt. Siguro mga 30 minutes. But I will time it para alam nyo guys. Oh my gosh, I am finally here. And nakakatuwa kasi I have this whole capsule all to myself. Ang ganda dito guys. Like, last time pumunta ako dito, I don't even remember. Pero, alam ko, madaming tao no, na medyo na-boringan ako kasi hello, bata pa, hindi ko masyado na-appreciate. And now, I'm here. Actually, nandito na ako sa top. Like, yung pinaka-top nung Ferris wheel na to. Ayan. Ayan na yung view. Woo! Medyo nalulula pa rin ako. But, here you go guys. That's the view. And ito ang aking capsule. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Singapore, guys. Wow. So yan, kitang-kita dyan yung Marina Bay Sands. And then yung Gardens by the Bay. And yan. That's Singapore! Hi guys! So si Mr. One, it's actually his birthday today. And guess what guys? Hindi siya 60. He's actually 75 years old and 74. Still strong. At 74!
Yeah,
74. And he's still strong. At nag-work siya today on his birthday. Sobrang funny because I'm gonna go to the Museum of Ice Cream and I'm gonna eat all the ice cream for you.
Thank you. Eat as much as you can.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will celebrate for you, Mr. One.
Thank you. What is your name?
Justine.
Justin. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Sir One.
And nice talking to you.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, ito pala fellow Pinay dito sa Museum of Ice Cream. Isa lang. Baka hindi ko mauubos. Ano yung isang flavor?
Sa premium namin yan.
Okay.
Mamaya bigyan na tayo.
Okay. Yay! Okay, so next, Pandan and Pulot Hitam. This is Pandan, Pulot Hitam. Okay, let's try. So, isa pa napansin ko dito is in every room, each room, may parang specific scent. So, dito, ano ba yung amoy nito? Basta mabango. Parang may mga pabango sila. Oh, this is so cute! Bananas! Bananas! Daming bananas! Oh my gosh, cute! So, meron ditong postcard. Tapos, pwede mo siyang idikit dito sa wall. wala na akong alam kung anong pwede pang ilagay. Okay na yan. Have a great day. Love, Justine. Super fun yung experience. Though konti lang yung tao dun sa loob, pero mas bet ko yun kasi at least hindi masyado crowded. And then everything's so pink, kaya super sakto yung outfit ko. By the way, TikTok shop lang yan. Click the yellow basket. Perfect kapag pupunta kayo dito ng 4 PM, which is yung last na nagpapapasok sila ng tao, I think. Or basta yung last na schedule dun sa Klook. So, ang hinihintay ko naman ngayon is taxi. Kasi pag pupunta ka dito sa Museum of Ice Cream, wala talagang nearest MRT station or bus station. Yung nearest is like 15 minutes walk or 20 minutes walk pa. So, malayo yon. Kaya ngayon, hinihintay ko na lang. Pwede naman kayo magpatawag dito ng taxi kung gusto nyo. Good morning, guys! So now, pupunta naman tayo sa Lau Pa Sat for breakfast. Kasi open yun for 24 hours. It's a hawker place. So, syempre, tipid-tipid tayo. So, this is my outfit for today. Again, Shein lang yan. And this headband is actually from Stitch It by JNC. Sabi nila, 800 meters away lang naman daw yon from Galaxy Pod. So, I'm walking there now. But yeah, tingnan na lang natin kung anong meron doon. Sabi nila, masarap daw yung coffee dyan sa Lock-in Coffee. And also, yung sa Toast Box nandito rin. Sobrang lapit if you guys want to try it. Nandiyan yan. Okay, so 5 minutes away na lang tayo doon. Ha, medyo nagugutom na ako. Ayan na guys, ayan yung Lau Pa Sat. Okay, ang daming mga bukas naman. Obviously, kasi 24 hours yan. What am I craving for today? First meal of the day, bihon. Ito, $2 lang. So, ayoko kasi muna kumain ng masyadong madami kasi pupunta pa ako dun sa fancy restaurant for lunch. So, yon, bihon lang muna kinain ko. And now, mag-MRT ako going to Gardens by the Bay. Siguro, I'm gonna stay there for an hour, mga ganon. Tapos, diretso na ako dun for lunch, dun sa La Angelos. But yeah, first time ko mag-MRT alone. Malapit lang naman, like 2 stops lang going to, Gardens by the Bay. Kasi meron na silang bagong brown line. Like, kaka-release lang nito nung September daw ata. So, yun, it's pretty convenient. Buti na lang, kinip ko pa to from the last Singapore trip. Kasi, ang ginawa ko, tinop up ko na lang siya. Kasi wala na palang cash dito. Like, hindi ka nabibili ng ticket mismo. So, itatap-tap mo lang to. Diba ang dali lang? Andito na ako kaagad. Pina-follow ko na lang yung number 1 kasi dun yung exit ng Gardens by the Bay. So, what I realized sa pagko-commute sa mga ibang bansa by train, ganyan, is hindi naman mahirap mag-commute by train eh. Ang mahirap is yung hinahanap mo kung nasa yung train station. Kasi, kapag hindi mo alam kung nasa yung train station, dun ka talaga maliligaw kasi nasa outside world ka. Eh kapag nasa may train station ka na, pa-follow mo lang yung signs, yung mga nakalagay dyan sa mga wall na yan, and then, that's it. Napakadali lang mag-commute. Yun lang. Yun lang na-realize ko ngayon. Okay guys, so dito pala sa Flower Dome, yung best route na gawin mo is start from the Succulent Garden, tapos yung mag-U-turn ka, tapos mag-start ka na sa Australian Garden. Kasi para siyang letter E daw dito. So, para wala kang ma-miss na anything. Ayan. So, medyo patapos na ako dito sa Succulent Garden. And, OMG guys, in-expect ko dito like sobrang init kasi nga, look oh, yung araw. Diba? Nakaganito. But, it's actually naka-aircon, which is good. So, malamig dito sa loob. So, now, nandito naman ako sa Australian Garden. So, alam mo, kasi wala kasing audio guide, like not available daw. Syempre, gusto ko sana mas maging informational Pero wala akong audio guide na mahiram kasi nga not available. Kaya gusto ko na sanang sumama dito sa mga tour guide nitong mga estudyante na to eh. Parang dun lang ako sa likod makikinig-kinig. But yeah, ang narinig ko, ang nasagap kong information kanina is yung mga plants dito sa Australian Garden is actually all imported from Australia. Wala kang makikita nito anywhere else but Australia. Wow! Look at this! Sobrang puti. Para siyang covered in snow. Galing! So, ito yung limited time only hanggang November 13 na lang. Buti na lang naabutan ko pa siya. So pretty and it smells so good here. Ganda! Babalik na ulit ako dun sa MRT station kasi malapit na dito yung French restaurant. Ito palang walk na to is around 10 minutes. So kung ayaw mo yan, may isa pang station nearby. But this is the easiest route na gawin. So yun, naglalakad lang ako and then 3 stops lang yung kailangan ko. It's just along Brown Line. Actually guys, napapagod na talaga ako kasi yung pagkain lang na kinain ko kanina, diba, is bihon. So nawawala na ako ng energy. And also, yung Avatar kasi na yun, napuntahan na namin last time na pumunta ako ng Singapore. So, kala ko may bago. And I thought parang last month wala na yung Avatar, but I guess in-extend nila. So, ayun, kuha lang ako ng mga konting clips. And then, yeah, yun lang ginawa ko dun sa loob. Nagpalamig lang ako dun. But yeah, it was still a really nice experience. Maganda pa rin puntahan yun. Yung 2,000 peso kong steak, may gratan.